Boy, DoorDash got some nerve. I tell you guys, look. Tell me why they got the nerve to put on the Wingstop orders now. It may ask you to fill drinks. What? Bro, you should never be filling up a drink for a merchant. You should never. I know some people do. And look, you're free to do whatever you think is best. But food safety regulations exist for a reason. If you ain't applied for that job, got hired by that company, you should not be filling up that drink straight up. Because the moment somebody gets sick or something happens, that's just unresponsible. That's what I think. I don't think any dasher should be out there filling up drinks. We in and out of the places, in and out of our car, touching door handles and doorknobs and food bags, and now we gotta touch customers' drinks and fill them up, put a lid on top of it. No, we should not be doing that. If anything, they should be having a tamper-proof seal on the drink and handing it to the dasher. That should be it. So I totally disagree with that. But let me know in the comments below. Do you fill up the drink for the customer? If so, let me know why. If not, I understand. I ain't doing it. But you do what you want to do. All right, let's get this one dropped off. Look at that. We finally got a customer who know how to leave the lights on. I appreciate it. Picture. Boom. Good to go.